Hi, welcome back to YouTube channel again. So in this tutorial video, you will learn the step-by-step process of obtaining a lively account number and PIN as well as how to transfer a PIN. So follow along and ensure a smooth and secure transaction process for your account. So let's start. First, we have to know how to get a account number and PIN for your Lively account. So first, we have to log into your Lively account by this website and using your 10-digit phone number or a valid email address. So this website link we will provide you in our description box, so you can easily go through this link and simply log in with your credential or a 10-digit phone number or email address. So then after ensure your account is active and eligible for a number transfer. For general customer service or account related question, call this number 1-800-733-66323. If you need further assistance, call customer care at 866-482-1442. So now, if transferring for another cellular company, you have to request a number transfer pin from your previous carrier. So provide necessary account information like a account number or a billing name or address for security verification. You have to give them. So these are some simple steps for you get account number and a pin as well as transfer. So thank you for watching the video. I hope you like it and we will catch you in our next video.